guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the STUSSY Air Huarache. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap some likes, we want to see those thumbs up, and show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. Now let's get into probably the most famous sneaker collaboration in the history of sneakers. So today we've got a look at the NIKE Air Huarache STUSSY in Desert Oak. And originally these came out in two colorways back in 2000s when these were exclusive to the London chapter of STUSSY. So you can tell that since Nike made this a wider release, that resale value for the last 20 years before this release was in the thousands. So if you were able to get a pair, you're a part of sneaker history, you're part of streetwear history, you've just got a great artifact really. So we've got these NIKE Air Huarache, as I mentioned, in the Desert Oak colorway, and we've got this in the US size 8.5, it's a UK 7.5, and it's a European 42. And I just want to mention about this OG box that it comes in with. It is the same box as the NIKE Air Max 3 that we've done reviews in, that came out last year. But I don't remember the NIKE Air Huarache STUSSY coming in this box. If I remember correctly, it came in the orange and brown OG Nike box. I could be wrong because it was over 20 years ago and I was 8 years old, so forgive me on that part. But if I am wrong, let me know in the comment section below. I'm here to be educated as well. Let's get unboxing. So, so beautiful. And believe it or not, these are my first pair of NIKE Air Huaraches. I've always wanted a pair of Air Huaraches because these were a staple for the 90s kids growing up, because these came out in the 90s. So, little brief history before we get into the review. The NIKE Air Huarache is the brainchild of Tinker Hatfield, and he was inspired by the neoprene socks that you wear when you go water skiing. He wanted that for an all fit, so he incorporated into this Air Huarache, which would be one of Nike's most famous sneakers for running, and they've incorporated in many sports. You see in the Air Jordan 7, so Michael Jordan wore him, and he's worn the Huarache technology in tennis. There we go, it's the Air Huarache courts, and Andre Agassi wore him. So two of the best athletes to have ever played their sport, they wore a NIKE Air Huarache. Let's get into this review. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is all rubber and it's got the typical NIKE Air waffle silhouettes. Now you've got the Air logo found in the middle, and it's in the nice olive green colorway. So we move on to the midsole. So you've got a polyurethane midsole unit. The Air is encapsulated in the heel. Moving on to the upper, I mean, you got this beautiful blend of browns, olive greens, little greys, and the NIKE Air Huarache logo that's found on the tongue. You've got nubuck, brown nubuck, that is on the mudguard and in the middle and lateral medial side cage here. The famous heel unit, where it's all plastic, it wraps around, it's the heel protection as well. That makes the NIKE Air Huarache famous. And the other thing that makes the NIKE Air Huarache famous is this neoprene sock liner. So essentially, it's a sock unit, one of the first of its kind, and it's there for your comfort, it's there for your easy access to put your feet in. Easy lacing system. There are additional eyelets that are found in the cage, so if you want a wider fit, you can just unlace them and put them into the external eye holes here. And what's great about the NIKE Air Huarache is that you can't find any swooshes, so it is in a realm of if you know, you know. And what's even more special about these ones is there's no STUSSY logo as well. So again, as most sneakerheads do, they look for that nod of appreciation. And yo, hopefully I'll be getting a lot of nods thrown at my way when I try these bad boys on, when I show them to everyone, when I wear these out. So roll that footage of me trying these famous sneakers on. I can't wait to wear out. So here we go. When it comes to the fit, guys, if you were to get your true to size Nike fit, you're gonna feel very snug, but it's really comfy. However, I kind of wish I got a half size up. I've been told that when it comes to Huaraches that you should, but I kind of gave them the benefit of the doubt and just went for my true to size fit. As you can see, my toe is right here at the very end, so it is quite snug. But unfortunately, if I can find a size 8, I'd love to try them on. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram. Until next time, peace.